Hello everybody, how are you? So today we are going to learn some more new words that we could use to give a better impression of ourselves. So instead of using our regular words, why don't we enhance them and use some better words, which are not very difficult by the way. So instead of using whole, why don't we use entire? So have the entire piece of bread instead of have the whole bread. Instead of break down, collapse. Oh my God, the house broke down because of the strong winds. The house collapsed because of the strong winds. Instead of dress, garment. What a wonderful garment you're wearing. Instead of better, improved. I want a better version of this. I want an improved version of this. Worse, inferior. Oh my God, this looks worse than I had guessed. This looks so much inferior to what I had imagined. Put in. Instead of put in, you could say insert. Why don't we insert the plug into the socket and see if the television runs or not? Instead of bring in, why not use introduce and say, let us introduce some new words into our vocabulary and make us sound better. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.